Welcome back to Advantech IoT Academy. In March 2022, after we started to release the first video to demonstrate how to configure GCL software in Advantech Remote I/O ADAM modules, so many learners helped us to produce more videos to introduce more software configuration in ADAM modules. So today, this video will tell you connecting the cloud through MQTT with Advantech ADAM Remote I/O by our product manager in Lund. We also prepared the second video. Our application engineer, Karen, will demonstrate how to configure MQTT in ADAM Remote I/O by some real cases. So let's welcome Inlun first.
Hello everyone, I'm Inlun, the product manager of ADAM Remote I/O. Today I would like to introduce how ADAM Remote I/O connects with the cloud through MQTT. Besides SNMP and RESTful, MQTT protocol is a popular option for ADAM-6000 and 6200 series Remote I/O user connecting to the cloud. MQTT protocol brings great benefit for user and is suitable for IoT application. In this video, I will briefly introduce MQTT protocol, MQTT functions and benefit for ADAM module and the MQTT application of ADAM Remote I/O with Azure. Firstly, let's talk about MQTT. Before the invention of MQTT, the communication protocols usually use a lot of resource and network bandwidth to transmit data, which required longer times to process and respond to data. These communication protocols could only deliver messages in a single direction, and their message distribution was only one-to-one. They lacked flexibility and could work only under stable network environments. Therefore, MQTT protocol was invented, which is more suitable for IoT application and environments. Designed for IoT application, MQTT protocol is a machine-to-machine network protocol which is suitable for connecting low-powered and remote devices. It is an efficient way of communicating and does not take up a lot of network bandwidth. What's more, due to its unique publish and subscribe architecture, multiple devices can be connected, even under an unstable network environment. It also offers different levels of quality of service for the reliability of message delivery. The final feature of MQTT is security. The TLS encryption and authentication with username and password, making sure that the message is only delivered to authorized clients. From the MQTT publish and subscribe architecture, we can better know how MQTT protocols work in IoT environments. Publishers such as remote temperature sensor or power meters publish real-time data to an MQTT broker. An MQTT broker acts as an intermediary between publisher and subscriber. It receives message published by the publisher, filter the message, and send the message to the subscriber, such as laptops and computer. MQTT protocol can decide to forward message to certain subscribers by the topic of the message. Secondly, let's talk about benefits and functions of MQTT for ADAM Remote I/O modules. In MQTT application, there are three main functions and benefits for ADAM Remote I/O. The first benefit is cost saving due to no need of gateway. The second benefit is flexibility because ADAM-6000 and 6200 series Remote I/O offer complete I/O, and MQTT enables ADAM-6000 and 6200 series to have flexibility in data and security deployment, which will be addressed in the following pages. The last benefit is efficiency. Since the MQTT data is forwarded to the broker directly and user can customize setting conditions to trigger the alarm events notification with simple configuration, which will be addressed in our next technical setting up course. Let's take a look at the heartbeat for securing data connection. User can enable the heartbeat of the keep alive function, which the broker regularly checks the connection with the ADAM modules to monitor connection status between them. This helps make sure that no data is missing and no connection has failed. Next one is the whale topic to inform data disconnection automatically. If the connection between the broker and the ADAM module is interrupted, the broker will inform the clients with the whale message so that the clients will know that ADAM is disconnected. Therefore, once receiving the whale message, user can take further action to restore the connection in time without losing important data from the protection line. The following is the return message for instant status update for new subscribers. The broker stores the last return message. If a new client makes a subscription, the client can receive the last message immediately and does not need to wait for the next new message. This is a useful function for users who want to know the last data from a long-interval IoT device right away. Next one is flexibility in quality of service. Based on the IoT application, users can choose the 3 QoS levels of publish, subscribe for the most suitable and efficient way delivering a message. For example, if used under a stable connection environment and the loss of some data is still acceptable, QoS 0 may be a good choice. ADAM modules offer the flexibility for users to choose among QoS 0, 1, and 2 according to the user application. The last one is flexibility in data access, authorization, and security to access data through subscription. Username password is required. The MQTT message from ADAM-6000 modules will come with the username and password to access broker. ADAM Remote I/O supports TLS encryption during transmission. It provides basic protection and security for others to gain data without authorization. Lastly, let's see an application about ADAM Remote Module connecting with Azure through MQTT in Smart Factory Monitoring. ADAM Remote I/O collects sensor data directly from the robot arms in the protection lines and forward the I/O data in the form of MQTT message to Azure IoT Hub. With the Azure Stream Analytics function, data analysis results can be showed on the dashboard and data can be stored in the database. That's all for the course today. Thank you for your listening.
Thanks for Elon's introduction. Next up, we recommend you to see our engineer Karen's video, which will show you how to set up the ADAM module for MQTT application. Stay tuned with IoT Academy YouTube channel to keep you updated with IoT knowledge. Thank you. See you next time.